to really close. Oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
What's up, guys? Jolly Wolf's here, and today we are going to be playing some Project Pokemon. Yeah, guys, sorry if I'm in such a great mood. It's just because I got back from the water park and I feel so good right now. Right now I feel so good. Right now. I feel so close to you right now. Heart, rain, heart, rain, heart. You're so sexy and beautiful. You're so sexy and beautiful. Thanks, 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 I'm alright. Yeah. Yeah. You're so sexy and beautiful. Thanks, you're so sexy and beautiful. Thanks, oh. You're so sexy and beautiful. Thanks, teaching. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hear my thing and all the legendaries that I have in here. Because I don't want any legendaries in this box. Like if I'm doing random battle, like random box battle, I want to have like a box that's actually full of terrible Pokemon that you'll use. Like, yeah. So some good Pokemon, but good Pokemon. Okay guys, I have a choice between to pick up Raikou or Nonetheless. You're so sexy, beautiful. Thanks, and then I also have another Raikou in this box. It's insane, guys. I have so many legendaries. It's possibly insane. I have Raikou, I have Celia, Suicune. It's insane, guys. So I think, and also in this video, I'm thinking also going to try and get I don't know what I'm going to try to do in this video. I think I might try to get a good Pokemon. Because I know I want, because me and Dimitri Kuss, we have this thing that we're going to be doing. And so, where we have to make a non-legendary team, and I'm going to put in a scissor and make him think the scissor is terrible, even though it's super boss. you're going to do is have false swipe on him. Have any good moves he gets. The reason why I want false swipe, even though I know what you guys are going to say in the comments, but Jolly, why do that? Well, cause one thing that is good about this. Sorry that I went quiet. Oh, thank God. Oh dear God, please don't tell me it stopped. So yeah. Yes, that's beautiful. Okay, guys. You pick them back up. Okay, guys. Look how many legendaries I have. Palkia. Oh, and guys, just to give a quick shout out to this Palkia. I got it from Only Ice. So also for this Cresselia. So guys, I want to give a quick shout out to my friend, Shades of Neon Ice. He's a great YouTuber. Go check him out. And please do subscribe to both of us. And yeah, let's get right into this party. So what I'm going to have for this is, I don't know why, but I want to have, I don't know why, but I always wanted like Dragonite. I've always wanted a Dragonite on my team. Just because I don't know why, but I love these. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna make my. I think I'm going to make my Scizor a competitive Pokemon. Oh, and Dimitri, if you're watching this, just exit now. No, what? Why did I say what? I said fuchsia. Never said this. When did I ever say this? Fuchsia. I'm so beautiful. You're so sexy, beautiful. You're so sexy, beautiful. Oh, guys, I need to find a shelter because I want a Cloyster in my team. To get Cloyster, I need this. I need a shelter. We're also going to look up on YouTube how to evolve Shelter into Cloyster. Oh, dang. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to catch Shelter off camera because I don't like this happening. Thanks, guys. So I'm gonna go get the Cypher real quick. Ow! Oh, this is a good water dragon type. Except I'm already gonna have a dragonfly, so no point having this on my team. You so sexy, beautiful. yeah, guys, in the future, I am going to get a gaming chair. I'm going to get stuff like that. That's what I'm going to get. Different stuff. You'll see in the future. When I have 50 subscribers, I'm going to try to get good stuff. Okay? I found a kangaroo. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be using this account from now on because Ice barely ever uses it. Shades barely ever uses his. Oh, and guys, if you're watching any of his live streams, just to tell you, just call him Ice. Because that's basically also his name, but that's his username on PS3. Oh, and guys, if you want to friend us on PS3, if you have one, go to friend Dennis_Steph, IST Mitchell 78, and IceMax77. I'm going to leave our usernames in the description. So yeah. Oh, and Ice and Dimitri. Don't you? They're nice. I have nice viewers. Even one of my viewers is Blair. So, guys, so Blair, if you're watching this, I'm gonna give you a shout out, Blair 559. I'll give you a shout out. So guys, I'm going to do 2 more encounters, and if I don't find the cipher, I'm going to end off the video here.